Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if iOS 16.2 developer beta 2 is not showing on your iPhone. So if you have iPhone and you want to update it to the beta iOS 16.2 beta 2, which is out now as you know that, and if you're trying to install it on your iPhone but it's not showing on the setting in software update section, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem, how you can get the iOS 16.2 beta 2 on your iPhone. So let's get started the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And now first of all, go to your iPhone setting, then click on general, and then click on VPN and device management. So if you have any beta profile you have downloaded from Apple beta or any other site, click on it, click remove profile. So make sure that you don't have any beta profile previous in your iPhone. Then simply click on not now go to Safari browser and search for the beta profiles. So there is the site, open it. So once the site is open, scroll down and here you will see iOS 16.2 beta 2. Click on install, click on install again, click on allow. The profile is download on your iPhone. Now go to setting, go to VPN and device management. You will get this here. Now click on install, enter your iPhone passcode, then simply click on install. So once it's done, click on not now. Now go back to setting and you will see the software update section. Click on it. Now you will get this iOS 16.2 developer beta 2 update. Now you can simply click on download and install and it will start downloading the beta profile. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.